Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hi everyone, today I want to tell you reasons why we are being maltreated. This maltreat can be from a friend. This maltreat can be from your husband. This maltreat can be from your parents. Yes. There are many reasons why we are being maltreated, even from the place of your work, from your senior workers. Number one is behavior. Do you know what we treat here? Good relationship that brings a good, successful home. There are people that when you come across them, their behavior, they don't care to know that they are going to meet you next time. They want to deal with you, maltreat you. When you come across them as your friend, you will know their character, that these people are unfaithful. These people can break your heart. They can lie against you. They can they can hurt you just to satisfy themselves. So number one thing that makes people to be unfaithful in a relationship or to be maltreated where they are working is selfishness. You will see somebody that come to work, he will come with every selfishness. A minute you pass, you see that person, if it's not cutting his nail on his nail. The other time you see her using her mirror to check her face. Know what you do when you are in the office. Know what you do when you are in the place of your work. Know it. Some people, you see them as a friend whenever you invite them to come and do something for you. Hey, they will have millions of excuses. They don't like their own. They don't want to give out their own. That transport they will enter and come for an event for you. Hey. If it's your birthday, or is a Thanksgiving, or invited her maybe for something or the other, you must give US. All these things make people to maltreat you. If you have this kind of behavior, change your mind. Change your mind. It's not good. Another one, it will be in a relationship. You just notice that person is bring. When you are no longer bringing, the person will begin to deal with you. It also happens in marriage. Some of our spouse is there to gain because of their selfish interests. He wants you to fulfill his or her own wish. He wants you to fulfill his or her own dream. But he doesn't think about your own dream. He don't think about how to help you to fulfill your dreams. There are a lot of people like this. Are you selfish? Are you selfish? Are you greedy? Some people, their own is that, in fact, they cannot give. Lack of giving in a relationship also brings bad maltreats that we get in our relationship. You can't even give. Every time you are there to collect. Every day you are there with your full chest. Sometimes even to your friends. He will every time ask you to give me. Every time he want to collect from you. He will never think of how to give to you. Do you have this kind of character? You can't succeed with it. Good relationship bring a